Welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching MCQ for all competitive exam. Today's topic Gandhian era. All are questions taken from previous year. Please subscribe our channel. The famous INA trial took place in Red Fort, Delhi in option A 1945, option B 1946, option C 1944, option D 1947. Your answer is 1946. Who among the following had headed the group of advocates to argue the case on behalf of the Indian National Army in 1946 in the Red Fort trials? Option A Bulabhai Desai, option B Kailash Nath Karju, option C Tej Bahadur Supro, option D Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is Bulabhai Desai. On which one of the following dates Jawaharlal Nehru unfurled the tricolour national flag on the banks of the Ravi as the clock struck at midnight? Option A 31st December 1929, option B 26th January 1930, option C 31st December 1931, option D 26th January 1933. Answer is 31st December 1929. Which of the following days was declared as the International Day of Non-Violence by the UNO? Option A 15 August, option B 2 October, option C 12 November, option D 26 October. Answer is 2 October. With which of the following newspapers was Jawaharlal Nehru associated? Option A Leader, option B Amrit Bazar Patrika, option C Tribune, option D National Herald. Your answer is National Herald. Diarchy in the provincial government was established by the option A Act of 1892, option B Act of 1990, option C Act of 1919, option D Act of 1935. Answer is Act of 1919. The issue on which the civil disobedience movement of 1930 was launched was option A equal employment opportunity for Indians, option B proposed execution of Bhagat Singh, option C salt monopoly exercised by the British government, option D complete freedom. Answer is complete freedom. Who was author of the book My Experiment with Truth? Option A Aurobindo Ghosh, option B Bal Gangadhar Tilak, option C M.K. Gandhi, option D Vinoba Bhave. Answer is M.K. Gandhi. Under whose leadership was the Congress Socialist Party founded in 1934? Option E Jawaharlal Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi. Option B Acharya Narendra Dev and Jayaprakash Narayan. Option C Subhash Chandra Bose and P.C. Joshi. Option D Saifuddin Kichlu and Rajendra Prasad. Answer is Acharya Narendra Dev and Jayaprakash Narayan. Mahatma Gandhi remarks a post-dated check on the crumbling bank is regarding the proposal of option A Simon Commission, option B Cripps Mission, option C Cabinet Mission, option D Wavell Plan. Answer is Cripps Mission. In ends and means relationship, Gandhiji believed option A means determine the ends, option B means become good if they are serve the ends, option C Inch is everything, no matter what or how the means are. Option D. Inch and means are watertight compartments. Answer is the means determine the ends. Who developed the idea that means justify the ends? Option A. Kautilya, option B. Raja Rammohan Rai, option C. Dayananda Saraswati, option D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Who declared as his ultimate aim the weeping of every tears from every eye? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru, option B. Gandhiji, option C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, option D. Sardar Patel. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the president of Indian National Congress when the Mountbatten Plan was accepted? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru, option B. Sardar Patel, option C. Maulana Azad, option D. J.B. Kripalani. Answer is J.B. Kripalani. Who was the last British Viceroy of India? Option A. Lord Linlithgow, option B. Lord Wavell, option C. Clement Attlee, option D. Lord Mountbatten. Answer is Lord Mountbatten. Gandhiji was staunch supporter of option A. Big industries, option B. Cottage industries, option C. Both A and B, option D. None of these. Your answer is cottage industries. Sarvodaya stands for option A. Total revolution, option B. non-cooperation, option C. Upliftment of all, option D. non-violence. Your answer is upliftment of all. In which city of South Africa was Mahatma Gandhi beaten up and thrown off the pavement by the white people? Option A. Cape Town, option B. Durban, option C. Johannesburg, option D. Pretoria. Answer is Johannesburg. Who attended the Congress of Oppressed Nationalists at Brussels in 1927 on behalf of the National Congress? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru, option B. Mahatma Gandhi, option C. Dr. Ansari, option D. Motilal Nehru. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. The Round Table Conference at London meet for the decision of option A. Future Constitution of India, option B. Prohibition of provincial autonomy, option C. Gandhi's demand for calling of civil disobedience movement, option D. Congress claimed to be the sole representative of Indians. Answer is Future Constitution of India. India Wins Freedom is the autobiography of option A. Abul Kalam Azad, option B. Muhammad Ali, option C. Zakir Hussain, option D. Syed Ahmed Khan. Answer is Abul Kalam Azad. Gandhi considered khadi as a symbol of option A. Industrialization, option B. Economic independence, option C. Economic growth, option D. Moral purity. Answer is economic independence. Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das were founder member of option A. Communist Party of India, option B. Forward Bloc, option C. Socialist Swaraj Party, option D. Swaraj Party. Answer is Swaraj Party. Thank you watching our video. Please subscribe our channel.